Let's talk Singer feet and Husqvarna Viking feet and why you can use the Viking feet on a Singer SE9180. Hi, I'm Sarah from SewingMastery.com and we're doing free video tutorials on this awesome sewing and embroidery machine. But I do remember the first time I opened up a fairly new Singer model, this one being included, and I realized the feet that come with this particular model are the same ones that actually are for our Husqvarna Viking. So if you have a Husqvarna Viking store in your area, you can go there. Now, I will tell you, not everybody realizes this, and they might say, no, you can't use these, but you can. But if you find some feet that you would like that aren't made under the Singer brand, you can get them for the Viking. So I'm gonna also show you what is key so you put on and off these feet correctly and you don't break that ankle. But here are a couple feet, just to give you an idea. Like this is an open toe foot. I love this foot because I can like see where I'm going. It's clear, it's marked, and then it has no part in front of the needle that blocks my view from like doing my decorative stitches. These are the feet that come with it, along with a buttonhole foot, but these are the same feet I have for my Viking, which is awesome. For example, I just had a couple close by that I've been using recently, the Husqvarna Viking gathering foot, and this is actually a clear piping foot. Now, being that's clear, I know you can't see it, but there's a little tiny tunnel underneath, and I'll show you what I love to use it for. Can you see this little tiny piping? I love this, what's called piping hot binding, and I use this foot to help get that little, number one, I get to cover a little tiny cord, and then I have a fun way that this goes in. This is a technique by a quilt designer named Susan Cleveland. We do talk about it in our Embroidery Essentials online course. That's just part of the embroidery course that we do offer. But you can see that when people talk about other feet, if they make it in a Husqvarna Viking, and we're talking feet, not so much accessories, but if they are literally a presser foot that's flat with nothing else attached, you can get it for this machine. Okay, tips for getting your feet on and off. Here's what you want to do. You want to always pull them straight towards you like a tray. So as you pull towards, sometimes I'll put my finger in the back and pull towards myself. And then also too, when I put that little bar back on and push up against his little, it's like a little mouth. So, and it does have this little kind of tongue. And so you're putting the bar in, it's holding it, and then you're gonna pull it straight out. What I don't want you to do is push down on the foot while you're trying to pull it out, because what's gonna happen is you're gonna loosen this part down here, and then eventually you might just need a new ankle. That's the part that attaches to the side, and then you're gonna have to, so it holds your foot on. So in, out. That's all you need to know. No pushing downing on these feet, and you'll be good to go. Try out some of the other feet. When we talk about some of our stitching Cosmos quilts techniques up in that quilt course that we do, those are all accessories that you can use on this machine. So we'll definitely recommend. There are some links to all of our courses in our description, as well as free video lessons that you can check out to see if that course might be right for you. So if you love presser feet, you love accessories, this machine has wonderful decorative stitches and can work with a lot of extra feet that I will tell you are not just on the Singer website. So there's a little kind of fun fact for the day. This is going to make this machine so much more powerful. Plus it's an embroidery machine, and you're going to love it even more. Make sure you're looking through all the video tutorials to really master this machine from start to finish.